Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to export voice messages from your bot chats on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to backup or save the voice messages you receive from bots, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the window and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where you can find all of your settings and options. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, you'll see different categories, but the one we need is called Advanced. Click on it to move into the Advanced options. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the tool that allows you to create a local copy of specific types of data from your account. Go ahead and click on it. When the export settings open, you'll see a list of checkboxes that represent different kinds of content you can back up. Since we only want to save voice messages from bot chats, start by checking the box for bot chats. This tells Telegram we only want information from conversations with bots. Next, keep scrolling until you find the category for voice messages. Make sure that box is selected as well. Once those two are checked, bot chats and voice messages, you're ready to continue. After confirming the right boxes are marked, click Export at the bottom of the window. Telegram will then prepare the data for you. Depending on how much content you have, this step may take a little bit of time. Just wait until the export process is finished. When the export completes, a button will appear that says Show My Data. Click on it, and a folder containing your exported files will open right on your computer. In that folder, you'll be able to find all of your saved voice messages from bot chats, neatly organized and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully exported voice messages from your Telegram bot chats using the PC app. This updated method makes managing your data easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to try it out and keep your important voice messages safely stored.